Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to use cleanup tool on iPhone. The cleanup tool on iPhone is designed to help you remove unwanted objects or distractions from your photos with just a few taps. It's part of Apple's photo editing features that make images look cleaner and more professional without needing advanced editing skills. And once you learn where it is, you can quickly improve your pictures in seconds. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Photos app. Select the photo you want to edit. Tap Edit in the top right or bottom corner of the screen. Look for the Cleanup or Clean Up tool and editing options if available on your iOS version. Tap the Cleanup tool to activate it. Zoom in on the area you want to fix if needed. Use your finger to highlight or circle the unwanted object and wait for the tool to automatically detect and remove the object. Then tap the undo button if you want to revert changes. Compare the edited version with the original by tapping and holding the image. Tap done once you're satisfied with the result. Save or tap to share the edited photo to keep the clean-up version in your gallery or other files. And repeat the process for other distractions in the photo if you have more photos to clean up too. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.